Okay, datin na po iti may kaalo. Pasit programa tayo. Tilaw-klaw kung kunada kat apo bimasit ti Mixel Art na nagidop mga rudmat. In-reset ko after 10 minutes. Okay, thank you very much for staying with us. Ading meron lang ni kapsat ni Elaine Rosendo. Kan amok madamdamak at adong dumandag online itan. And ito yung Facebook Live tayo. We still have 41 viewers. Kaya good afternoon kada kayo. Kapsat Geraldine Takpano. Una yan, tipo birthday yo. Kanya ako, pabati naman po dyan. Salamat po. Okay, happy birthday. Kapsat Geraldine Takpano. Kini Chris Pahar Blas. Kung na naman listening in live from Singapore. Mary Benitez Mark. Hello there guys. Kamusta na? From Sabina's Restaurant. And Jeffrey Domingo Imbag nga malamyo. Dita karuba ko na ni Jeffrey Domingo. Yan, thank you very much. Apo ka na kayo. At gati pa nga blao pa nga daduma. Kabayatan ti Adda ti aramitin na makirwar. Okay, apo na kadubim. Hello po kayo June. Happy listening sa bahay namin. Nakikinig ang biyanan ko at asawa ko. God bless to your station. Kung na natin naman timbagano sino. Okay. Sino ba eh? Ay, dagiti simong bat ito tay. Ti Sisid Marino. Oh. Manong John, John Mark, greet ko man sa family di Guzman, Kabala, Kabala Union. Nanay ko, no, paring Tom, paring John, at si Chris from Conrad Sarmiento of Sagana, Santiago City. Salamat po, Konana. Okay. Hello, DJ. Request ko man kantang What's Forever For? Thank you po. From Leia. Okay. Umayto data What's Forever For. Damdaman lang masit. Magandang hapon po kayo, June. At John Mark, pa-request naman po ng Open Arms. This is me, Aldrin June Pagtama from San Sebastian, Ramon Isabela. Okay, Aldrin June Pagtama. Good afternoon. Siguro anak ni ni kabatchmate ko nga ni June Pagtama. Aldrin June. Okay, Kuya June, dyan Mark, papromo yung load dapat at tansidi tita June, no? At the remembrance, dagiti mga abak, tipog-pug tuyo, kuya ko na naapo, nagmayat ko mamamot, no? CD, ang accounted kaya po. Agye sponsors mi ngamin kat load tititita. Manong dyan kang ating GM, kablao man, tayo asawa nga ni Mayra Espanyola, ken jay anak ko nga ni Rainier Carla Espanyola, ken ami na pamilya mi di Urdaneta City, Pangasinan, ken kastamet ti kabagyan ming Espanyola family dita Isabela. Salamat manong kan ading pa-request ko man tayo sunatang ingkaman tinang kablao Roel Espanyola toy Taiwan Taoyuan Taiwan. Oy. Kan Kapsat Martillo, good afternoon. Ayan, nakasuplisunan. Nga road napananti kadwakon awamutan John Mark. Anyway, here's a piece for everyone. Gapot at data until laok-laok. Here's an English number for you.
Baby, I need your love right now, and I want, baby, I want to show you how. Come on, you know that you've waited long enough, and now it's time to be lovers. Let's try to be only one with you. Baby, it's worth it all for you. It hurts making me wait for you this way. I can't go on. So come in and take me now. Take my love. Make come true the feelings I've been dreaming of. Take me now. Take me fast. You can trust in me. each other love, but still, some things so right just can't be wrong. Besides, you'd have to be up to me and you when it's time for each other.
I live for the day we made us one. Look back over all the things we've done. But now, baby, I need your love right now. I can't go on. So come on and say me now. Take my love. Make come true the feelings I've been dreaming of. Take me now. Take me fast. You can trust in me, our love will ever last. Take me now. Take my love. Make come true the feelings I've been dreaming of. Take me now. Take me fast. You can trust in me, our love will ever last. Take me now. Take me fast. You can trust in me, our love will ever last.
And here's another request, Karuba.
I've been looking at people and how they change with the times. And lately all I've been seeing are people throwing love away and losing their minds. Maybe it's me who's gone crazy, and I can understand why. All these lovers keep hurting each other when good love is so hard to come by. So what's the glory in leaving? Doesn't anybody ever stay together anymore? And if love never lasts forever, tell me what's forever for? And I see love-hungry people trying their best to survive, when right there in their hands is a dying romance, and they're not even trying to keep it alive. So what's the glory in leaving? Doesn't anybody ever stay together anymore? And if love never lasts forever, tell me what's forever for? So what's the glory in leaving? Doesn't anybody ever stay together anymore? And if love never lasts forever, tell me what's forever for?
Okay, that's it. And here's another piece.
Look at what we were missing. When they said, I bet they'll never make it. But just look at us on their run. We're still together, still going strong.
Still the one.
You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life.
Still the one.
You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. Still the one I kiss goodnight. I'm still the one.
Hello, Terry Ruiz, watching from Germany. Kasama ka na Tislak Will May, watching from Taiwan. And Marites Nolasco from Taipei. Good afternoon kita kayo.
Still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life.
You're still the one.
You're still the one that I love, the only one I dreamed of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. So glad we made it. Look how far we've come, baby.
Okay, dahil kita po ti panguluking sunata kat naimbanggal daw, kini Bayaw Joseph at tarap Bueno RJ Tambayan iti Kapatuan. Isabel ang mandari mangandungan kat tayo over Mix and R kan kadagiti pa'y naka-online. Apo nakaluban na kita tutuma. We have Silvis Pastores sa Taktakan, watching from Norway. Hi po, na. And Dennis Javier Ramirez watching from Pasig, Metro Manila. And once again, Chris Bahar Blas, nice song. Ating JM ko na. And once again, Terry Ruiz from Germany. They're watching us at this moment. And we have 55 listeners, viewers, and 10 listeners nga nababati ta nagtatalaw tatatay na po sa Timig Salar. Good PM, ano ko na ta?
Good PM manong great command jay family Tomas dita Batali. Dita Morong from Joros Javier ng Santiago.
Wow, thank you very much ken kakabsat kat and Joseph is requesting for a song Amazed.
Good afternoon po kuya.
Ayan.
Pag-request nga po ng kantang Count on You. Nakantahin ni Kuya June. Thanks po kuya. Hindi, sinabi niya ako eh. Kuya John Mark, pero hindi ko kinakanta yun. Sa'yo yun eh.
Kaya nga, and as requested by Joseph, Amazed ka no by
Lone Star.
Lone Star and
Star Lone. Silver Star Lone.
revived by
Yoyoy Bilyami.
Madi
Ano?
Vice ganda. Huwag mahihiyang magtanong
Kung may right med ba nito?
Ngarod, Jamak. Dramatic ko lang.
Every time our eyes meet, this feeling inside me is almost more than I can take. Baby, when you touch me, I can feel how much you love me, and it just blows me away. I've never been this close to anyone or anything. I can hear your thoughts, I can see your dreams. I don't know how you do what you do. I'm so in love with you. It
Ernest Coloma is also watching. Linda Fascion, Nelly Mariano, and Sarah Decker.
The smell of your skin, the taste of your kiss.